Hi guys, happy Word Wednesday. You know what that means? That means you are going to learn a new sight word. But again, it's your lucky day. We are going to learn 2 new sight words. Okay, so the first one, so the first word is 3 letters. Okay, so the first letter is, this is a tricky letter, but it's B, 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 B makes that sound. Here's the next letter, I, and our last letter is G, B, I, G, and that spells the word big. I'm big. So say it with me, okay? Spell it with me. It's B, I, G. Okay? Now whisper it. B, I, G. Shout it. B, I, G. Clap it. B, I, G. Stomp it. B, I, G. Now let's do a cheer. Give me a B. Give me an I. Give me a G. And what does that spell? Big. All right, my friends, that's our first word, big. So can you guess what our next word is going to be? It's actually a long word. We're looking at 6 letters. So when you put these 6 letters together, you will get our next word. Some of you might get it. It's not big. Okay. This is a lowercase letter. It's L. I. T. Can you see it okay? Another T. Another L, and our last letter is an E. E. So it's spelled L-I-T-T-L-E, and that spells the word little. Say it with me. Little. Okay. All right, let's spell it. L-I-T-T-L-E. Whisper it. Shout it. L-I-T-T-L-E. Clap it. L-I-T-T-L-E. Now stomp it. L-I-T-T-L-E. And now let's do a cheer. Give me an L. Give me an I. Give me a T. Give me another T. Give me an L. And give me an E. And what does that spell? Little. Okay, so we have what are called opposites. And if you noticed last week, we did the words up and down, and those are opposites. And this week, we are doing big and little. Big is the opposite of little, okay? All right, my friends, so I need you to make your new cards. We have big, and then we have little, okay? And put them on your word ring. Now, Mrs. Gish will be reading you a story called The Little Mouse, the Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Bear, okay? So enjoy that story. All right, a few activities that are going to be sent home to your parents. I have some sentences I want you to try to read. For example, I have here, can you see? We have a big ball. We know these words, a big, and then there's a picture, book. This one says a big, look at the picture, car, a big dog, and a big cat. And I want you guys to read this all by yourself. I think you can do it. The other activity that I have for you is a little bit bigger sentences, but I want you to find our sight word and circle it for each sentence. So for example, it says, I have a bike. My bike is big. And you would circle big. And you would do that for each one. Look for big or look for little. Also, I have 2 activity sheets. One is big and one is for little. Ah, the wind. All right. So the first thing you need to do is read the word. I want you to trace the word. You can color in the word big. And here you need to circle all the words big. In this section, you have 3 squares. And one of the letters in the word big is missing. You have to figure out what letter is missing and put it in the box. You have another set of 3 boxes. I see a letter I. What 2 letters are missing in the word big? I think it might be a B and a G. And then I want you to try this one all by yourself too. Right here is like a puzzle. Down at the bottom, you have 3 squares with all the letters mixed up. You have B-I-G all mixed up. You have to cut out the letters and glue them into the right squares in the right order, okay? And then at the very bottom, you have more sentences that you need to try to read. I think you can do it. And circle the sight word. So you want to circle big. Find big. I have the same thing for this one. This one might be a little bit harder because you have a lot of letters. It's a 6-letter word, but I think you can do it, or get help from mom and dad or your big brothers and sisters. I'm sure they would love to help you. All right, my friends, enjoy these activities, and I'll see you on Fun Friday. Bye.